chief dignitaries or sponsors and chief guests for this evening for Asian Cricket League Season 2. Not too far. Dignitaries are chief guest and the sponsors to join here. First of all, it's my pleasure, the great honor to invite our main sponsor of this event. Just as an auto, I would like to request Mr. Marcus right there coming to the middle of the ground to unveil the Champions Trophy, followed by Mr. E.P. Abdurrahman, ISC President, and also Mr. Najmuddin, Managing Director, Premier Technomedia, and also Chairman of ACL Season 2. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for your presence. First of all, I request Mr. Marcus, founder and General Manager of our main sponsor, Just as an Auto, to reveal the Champions Trophy. Mr. Marcus, if you can please do the honor to reveal the Champions Trophy of Asian Cricket League Season 2. The first one is going to be the Champions Trophies unveiling by Mr. Marcus, founder and GM of our main sponsor, Just as an Auto. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Talia, everyone, a big round of applause. Right now, we are going to reveal this beautiful trophy, Asian Cricket League Season 2. Can we have a big round of applause for this beautiful trophy? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Marcus, our main sponsor, founder and GM of Just as an Auto. And also followed by the runners-up trophy is being unveiled by Mr. E.P. Abdurrahman, ISC President, alongside with him Mr. Najmuddin, Managing Director, Premier Technomedia, and Chairman of ACL Season 2. These are the two beautiful trophies. Here we have the runners-up and for the champions. Out of 20 franchises, we have two best teams, Icon and CCRC Varus, into the finals. And one big match away to decide the champions of the biggest cricket carnival in Qatar, right here in Dynamic Sports Ground. Once again, thanks to all the sponsors. Thanks to Mr. Marcus from Just as an Auto And a very, very special thanks I would like to extend to Mr. EP Abdurrahman for his continued support for all these events in Qatar. ISC President, thank you so much, sir. And also Managing Director, Mr. Najmuddin, Premier Technomedia, Chairman of ACL Season 2. Please stay back, gentlemen. I request both captains, CCRC Warriors and Icon CZ, 2 finalists captain, please be here for the photo session. I request Irfan, the captain of CCRC and Icon CC, Yasser Arafat. Please be here, guys, for the photo session. Once again, can we have a big round of applause for the 2 finalists we have, Asian Cricket League, CCRC Warriors, filled with Pakistani players, and alongside with them, Icon CC, all the Sri Lankans out there. Plenty of Sri Lankans out there. They are taking on the Pakistani players right here to decide who is going to be the champion of Asian Cricket League Season 2. Yasser Arafat is taking on Mohammad Irfan. Here we got 2 captain, 2 finalists right here alongside with the guest, our sponsor for the photo session. Here we go, can we have a big round of तालियां हो जाए ना? 2 big players, 2 big teams, one from Sri Lanka, one from Pakistan. Yasser Arafat, Icon CC, CCRC Warriors, Mohammad Irfan. Here we go. The beautiful photo session, ACL Season 2 coming to an end with one more match to be played. 6 overs match right after the ceremony to decide out of the 20 franchises who is going to be the champion. Is it going to be the players from Sri Lanka? Is it going to be the players from Pakistan? Plenty of support. Thank you so much all the spectators. Thank you so much all the sponsors, all coming to an end now. Another 12 hours of exciting cricket. We will be back very, very soon with the final match. Over to you, Chirag.
धन्यवाद सर जी। ये अब कुछ आखिरी के पल, और इन आखिरी के पलों को सभी लोग इसी की राह देख रहे थे, कब आए ये मोमेंट्स। ये देखिए दोनों कैप्टन्स अब आखिरी बार जो मेन ट्रॉफी है उस ट्रॉफी के साथ अब यहाँ पे देखने को मिल सकते हैं। आप देख सकते हो इन्हें, ये दोनों कैप्टन सीसीआरसी वॉरियर्स के कैप्टन इरफान और दूसरी जगह आइकॉन सीसी के कैप्टन यासर अराफात, ये दोनों अब हैं सामने। ये देखिए आखिरी बार एक ही टीम होगी जो इस मेन ट्रॉफी को उठाने वाली है। वो कौन सी होगी? क्या वो पाकिस्तान होगी? क्या वो श्रीलंका होगी? ये तो वक्त बताएगा। लेकिन अब थोड़ा सा समय हमारे पास है, तो हम सारे स्पॉन्सर्स को धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे।